I just want to know if the fight at 2,500 on my eye, man. How do you know my jewelry box is full? You looked at it?
I just opened it. Don't look at it.
Empty.
Nada.
We're gonna load this bad boy up real quick. $310. I didn't really see any gold in here or anything, but it's still intriguing. I looked through this a little bit when I was here a minute ago. I'd like to find a diamond ring in this mother. Yosemite collector's pins. Huh? Nice. That's a good item. Find something that fits inside of this freaking bag, because damn. Yes, I want those. Put those right there. What did you do? Dump them all?
No, that's the way it was. The way it was.
Oh, why couldn't that have been money? That would have been nice. Baseball cards.
A little lamp.
You actually bring a knife to work. Oh, crap. $10 in statues. Ooh, we got a blanket.
There's a rug.
That's actually a
Nice
decent rug. That might be, I'd pull that out. I look at that, looks at. That could be money right there. Quick letter opener. Royal Crest, that's all we got. Hats, guitars, red leather jacket. Uncle Michael don't want to see this. Here you go, Uncle Mike. Check out that bad boy.
You got the same one.
This sucks. Should give this one back to them. Somebody been through all these boxes. here? Oh, what do we got here? Potential?
Potential. Was ever giving him this one back?
Yeah, that one we're keeping, but I'm using it to sort into. Okay, let's see what we got in this one. Slow down, Hot Rod. Yes. That, I think, is gold right there. No. Avon. Gold electroplated. Can you slow down? I would like to get this on film before I'm more concerned about that than you looking in it first. It's not gold. This one's gold. No, it's not. Costume. No, it's not, sir.
That's real.
No, it's not. That is, I think, a real diamond right there. Huh. Ooh, what do we got here? Foreign money. Looks like we got a little bit of silver in there. Maybe. What's this one? 1921. There's 20 bucks. No mint mark. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Be something cool. No. That's a couple decent military items, but nothing major. Machine right here. That's a party in a box. That's a wrap. Everything from that table backwards is at $310 unit. Please, you bring the people back their family photos. The general general feel of that unit is that at some point somebody went through it, whether it was the owner of the unit or the manager of the facility. Who the hell knows? Not my place to push that finger, but nonetheless, those boxes were all gone through. Only one had any sealed tape on it. The rest were just basically rifled. Not sure, but I think this might be a diamond ring here. Might be the coolest thing I found in there. And Uncle Michael got himself a bunch of My Little Ponies to play with.
Yeah.
Good in this unit, basically. Back at the house, casa, mi casa. And I got everything laid out. These are some pins from 76 Station, whatever. Some jewelry. Everything was pretty much junk in my eyes. Some coins. This one here was a silver dollar. No good mint mark, just a D, so that one's 20 bucks all day. Some cool plaques from the military. Silver necklace right here. Belova watch right there. I like this. It's gonna go on the front of the Dodge, the problem solvers. This thing right here is pretty cool to me. Got some more jewelry, vintage transistor radio. NASA pins are pretty cool. Empty iPhone boxes, I get $5 a piece on eBay for those. I got some gold-filled cross pins here. More of those. Plaques from ships and stuff. It's a Native American rug. This thing's pretty dope. Pretty large. Stands taller than me, so it's probably about 9 feet. Beautiful pattern. Beautiful pattern. This was tucked away in this Love SF pink bag here. Nice blanket. Rug. Nice rug. Tired. Straight tired. Forgive me. Let us not forget this ring here. Not the pinky ring, but this one right here. On my, well, yeah. Not my pink pinky ring, but this one here is potentially a diamond ring. We'll see tomorrow at the flea market. This one here is gold filled. It's fake, but whatever.